He is only in what is called a fiduciary role, a delegated responsibility. So we hear of a certain head of the delegation from a certain country, the SADC mission, without prior consultation with his colleagues, fellow observer missions from sovereign states, and without them even having given reports back to their countries, even gone back to their secretariat, because the secretariat is the collective secretariat of SADC. He decides to delve into matters which have nothing to do with his mandate. SADC has got several committees which deal with various issues of SADC, of Southern African development. It even has a constitutional review committee within its ambit. If anybody has got issues about the Zimbabwe laws, that is the relevant body within SADC to come and question the statutes of the sovereign state of Zimbabwe on a peer-to-peer basis as fellow acceders to the SADC protocol of unit, of cooperation. It is not the duty of a particular individual to arrogate to himself the role of a constitutional review committee of the laws of Zimbabwe. So Mr. Nevers Mumba from Zambia will call you to order. Don't delve into the laws of Zimbabwe. If you've got issues with those, tell your relevant institutions, not the SADC Observer Committee, your relevant institutions, to take it up with the SADC Secretariat in Zambia. Otherwise, we know that he's a preacher, he comes here, he has got his friends, and he was seen opening and accosting himself with the triple C. We don't think that's what Zambia stands about. He even goes further to try to make an issue about civic organizations and chooses some against the other in Zimbabwe. He favors ZESI and others. Then he castigates FAS on the other hand. This is a bias.